Okay, so the first one, go ahead and read that to me.
Okay. Manfred has 25 picture cards. He gave 2/5 of them to his friends. Now, first, how many cards did Manfred give to his friends?
Okay, so this is 25, right?
Right,
Okay, and it says 2/5, so divided into fives. 25 divided by 5 equals 5, right?
right.
Each box is 5, and he gave 2 out of that, 2/5 to his friend. What is that amount?
That is 10.
10. So A gave 10, 2 out of 5 of the 25 cards is 10, right?
Yeah.
Second part, how many cards did he have left? So gave,
He had 3/5
left 3/5, and what is that amount? Said how many? That means amount. How many?
That is 15.
Yes, 15. 15 cards left. Okay, good job. 2. Okay, so Sharon had what? $40, right?
And she spent 3/8 of the money on a storybook.
Okay, $40. And then 3/8 tells us he's going to divide the $40 into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I draw 7 lines into that, that will make 8 parts. So $40 divided into 8 parts, right? That means each part is
5.
okay, so we fill it up. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, she spent what?
3/8.
Spent 3/8. So 3/8. This is 3/8.
That
Spent
means 5.
3/8, right? So left 5/8.
Yeah.
Okay, how much did the storybook cost?
The storybook cost
1, 2, 3. Right?
$15.
$15. 5 times 3 equals $15. Okay, how much money did she have left?
She had $25 left.
5 times 5 equals. 7, that means we need to draw a bar. Draw 6 lines inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That divides the bar into, oh, sorry. You have to draw 9 bars in order to divide it into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or 9 bars. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bars. That means 10 parts. Okay. And took 7 out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
Right.
This is the $42. So 7 parts, right, equals $42, right?
Right.
That means each part is what?
Each part is 6.
42 divided by 6 equals, 50 divided by 7 equals 6. Now you fill your box with 6. Okay, so how much money did she have at first? A, how much money did she have at first? Did she have at first?
He maybe had 60.
$60, right? The 6 times 10. Okay, how much money did she save?
She saved 3/10, which is also $18.
When she saved, this is just this portion right here, right?
Yeah.
Save. So we're going to say saved 3 times 6 equals $18, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to question number 2 on that page. A group of children went for a picnic. 3/7 of them, so we see the fraction. 3/7 of them, that tells us draw a box and divide into 7. How do you do that? You draw 6 lines in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. And we are talking about 3/7 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3/7 of them were boys. So this portion here were boys, right?
Uh-huh.
We say 3 parts, and there were 18 of them, right?
Yeah.
So 1 part equals 18 divided by 3, right? Equals,
3. Right.
and then so you come over here and then you fill it in that each box is 6. How many children were there? Part A. How many children were there?
42.
Because 6 times 7, the whole bar, because 42 children. How many girls were there? This is boys. 1, 2, 3. This is boys. Boys. That means this is what?
24.
Yeah. So girls, because 6 times 4, 24. Or you can say girls equals the 42 minus the 18, right?
Right.
Go on. Okay, let's go to the next page, and so we are going up to page 109. Okay, let's go to page 106. We are closing, and Janelle is now entering. You know, we're about to finish.
Chapter 106, 107. Never mind.
Okay, page 106. This is Reed bought a packet of flour, right? And she used 1/3 of the flour to make
Yeah.
bread. So let's go here 1/3, right?
Right.
1, 2. So this is 1/3.
Yeah.
If she used 6 kilograms to make bread, so this portion here is the 1/3 and it's 6 kilograms, right?
Yeah. All the other ones are 6 kilograms.
Yes. Okay. How many kilograms of flour did she buy?
18. She bought 18 kg. Yeah, that's what he did. Ow.
Well, 6 times 3 equals 18 kilograms, right?
Okay.
What about, we go to question number 4. Susan spent what? 3/10 of her money, right?
Right.
Yeah, how do we do 3/10? We need to divide into 10 by drawing 9 bars in it. 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we draw 9 lines in here, divide it into 10. And you spend what? 3 out of the 10, right? Okay, this is the bag, right?
Right.
Bag. Okay, so the 3 parts equals what? $9,
$9.
right? So 1 part,
3.
what?
$9.
9
How many money did
by 3 equals 3, right? So we fill the box with 3. Okay, how much money did she have at first?
$30. She had $30, I think.
Okay, that means the whole bar, right? That is the entire,
Yeah.
which is equal to 3 times 10 equals $30, right? Okay, so you're going to follow this and do up to page 109, okay?
We're on one. Okay.
Page 109, and also that's for your workbook, okay? Now you go to the, this is workbook. Workbook, pages 100 to 109, right? And then there was this tests 4A. Okay, we're gonna start from page 55. All right,
That's page 55 to.
well, this weekend here, you will do 55 to 66.
Sounds fair.
Okay, so real quick review. If I have 1/2 is equal to,
Am I supposed to have a text book?
you have both of them, Janelle. You have this workbook and tests. Not test.
Oh, are we?
English.
Isn't that workbook 100 to page 109? Because we're already finishing that.
You're already finishing that. Janelle will have to do it.
Oh, okay. I just have to do the remaining,
And
right?
then the test, page 55 to 66.
Okay, let me write this down in my book.
Writing that down.
Writing it down. Writing it
Janelle, how are you late?
Yeah. I wrote it down. Yeah, I wrote it down. 1/2 equals
No, I'm just trying to make it, if as I say, why am I equivalent fractions? 8 over, okay, what goes in here? Well,
2 goes. Never mind.
Janelle, can you tell? Equivalent fraction. This is
So
1.
1/2 is equal to 2/4.
And how about what goes here? 8 over what?
So
Eight.
for the first one, it's 2/4, and for the next one, it's I think 2. No.
8 over what?
8/4.
No, pay attention. 1 and 8, 2 goes to what?
What did you say? The volume was randomly on mute.
Okay, 1 changes to 8, 2 we change to what?
So it
16?
would
I'll think.
16, right?
yes, it would be 16/8.
Okay,
For a minute, I thought we were doing another concept.
3, okay, so we have 8. If I take, so this is 3/8. So 3/8 and what? Make 1.
I don't know.
3/8 and what will make a whole? What? Looking at this picture.
Now I know.
A whole is what? 8, 8.
6.
Right?
8 eighths. Okay.
So 3, 8 and what will make a whole?
6.
No, look at the picture. 3, 8 and what?
5 eighths.
3, 8 and 5/8.
I was close.
Okay, how can you compare fractions? If I have 9 over 12 and 6/8, how can I compare? What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this, which is 9 times 8, right?
Yeah.
And then after that, I'll also multiply this times
Yeah.
12. And then I'll compare this number and that number. That will tell me which is bigger.
And they're the same.
So 72. And so this one here, you say these two are equal, right?
Or the same.
Yes.
Equal or the
So
same.
what about 7/10 and 3/4? Which is bigger? What did I tell you to do? Cross multiply, right?
That means 3/4.
No. What do you do? I said multiply these two. 7 times 4. Keep it.
So
3 times 10. Keep it.
it's bigger. So 30 is bigger than.
So you write 28 is less than.
30 bigger than.
So
30 bigger than 28, boy.
7/10 is less than what? 3/4, right?
3/4.
3/4 is the champion. That's
4,
right.
6 and 5, 9. What sign would you use?
4 times 9 and 5 times 6.
4 times 9, 5 times 6.
So 36 is more than 30.
So what sign would you pick here? Put over here. Less than, it'd be greater than, less than, or equal. Which sign would you put over here?
Greater than.
Greater than.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Can you write an equivalent fraction of 14/18? Solve the equivalent. Equivalent fraction, you have to either divide by the same number or multiply by the same number.
I
Okay?
think it's 7/9.
Okay, so this one here, you can divide by the same number, 2,
Yeah.
7/9, or you can say you can multiply both by 2.
Okay.
8/36. You understand, Janelle?
Yes.
Equivalent fractions, okay? You either divide by the same number or multiply by the same number. So if I write 9/15 and I say this box and I say this is 30, say equals to 45 over a box. Okay, what goes in this box? You know, equivalent fraction, what goes in this box? This is going to this, so what goes over here? You know,
3.
this 15 is changing to 30. 9 will change to what?
9, 18.
18. This is the same as 18 over 30, right? What about this part here? This change to 45. What will go in this box? Janelle again. Janelle. What would that be?
15. So you would have to do 15 times 5.
Good job. Okay, the last thing. Can you add 3 9s plus 1/3? Janelle. What are you gonna do, Janelle? Can you add this? You always,
Add 3 to 1 and 9 to
no,
3.
no. You have to make sure the denominators are the same first. If they're not the same, you cannot add them. So how would you change this to make it the same as this? Mhm.
You would times it by 3.
So you have to do the same thing for the top two, okay? So it becomes what? Also 3 9s, right? So now you can add. Now that these are the same, you can add. It will become 6 over 9, right? What about 7/8 minus 3/4, Janelle? Okay, you cannot subtract or add unless the bottoms are the same. Okay, what do you go ahead? Try to write equivalent fraction. What is 3/4? And you want to write it to be 8. What is that? What is it?
So you would have to do 7 times 2, which is 14.
Why you change starting by 2? I said 7/8, and then this one here, you want to change it. This smaller number has to be the same as the bigger number. How would you do that?
So 8 divides 4 is 2.
So what are you going to do?
8 divided by 4, and then 7
No, how would you change the 4 to be like 8?
times 2.
Okay, so what are you going to do with this fraction?
Times it by 2.
Go ahead, tell me. Becomes what?
6, 8.
Last one. Janelle, 8 over 10 minus 2 over 5. Make the smaller one look like the bigger one. What are you going to do?
You're gonna do 5 times 2, which is 10, and 2 times 2, which is
Do I solve any of these problems?
Yes, I already gave you the exercise already. It's up here. That's what you, all right. So it's 55. Your test is page 55 to 66, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now I'll try and send you the video because I recorded it, okay? Bye.